Shalom family, Most High name of Christ bless. My name is Shamarah from the house of Bishop Nathaniel, and your name is?
Shamarah.
Shamarah. So why did you pick Shamarah?
I chose in Shamarah based on following the classes, especially all came from when we actually have a class saying that we should look up to a senior system and model ourselves after that will help us to get them, be a righteous example to look up to someone. So but I get to following you online, even though you are far away, I start following you at classes. So I really admire how you carry yourself. Though I don't know the meaning of Shamarah, but I always have this wish that one day I will meet more Shamarah and I will ask one day.
Okay, so Bishop Nathaniel gave me my name over 35 years ago. So Shamarah is derived from she who is watchful. So I'm a watchful person. I watch prophecy, I watch my Lord, I watch other people. I'm very observant, and so that's what the name means, and that's why Bishop gave me my name.
Oh, praises. I think I see that with myself.
Okay.
But most of the time, every time stuff goes, I always go to leadership and see Shamarah, see everything Shamarah. So I just think that means like following you and trying to model myself after you and love praises.
Praises, oh praises, that's what it means. Stay watchful, stay watchful.